C++ is a programming language which helps us to give instructions to the computer to perform a task. C programming is one of the oldest programming language and a lot of applications have been written in C. C++ was developed as an extension to C language, in order to overcome the limitations of C. The major difference between C and C++ is that C does not support classes and objects, whereas C++ supports classes and objects. Don't worry, we will learn about this in detail later. The list of applications developed using C++ are endless. Various games, softwares and other applications are developed using C++. Let's see some specific scenarios where C++ is being used. C++ is used to create games and graphics. C++ is used in ATM machines which we use to withdraw cash. C++ is also used to create desktop applications which we use on daily basis. Now, you must be wondering how the commands which we write in English are understood by the computer and how it acts accordingly. Let me try to explain this in 5 simple steps. First, we write the commands in English-based C++ language. Then, the English-based commands are sent to a compiler. The compiler's job is to convert the English-based commands into numbers containing ones and zeros. These numbers are then fed to the computer. The computer